Hello friends, welcome to vteachacademy.com. Today in this presentation, we are going to solve an example on how to find the coefficient of x in the binomial expansion. So here we have if coefficient of x power 10 in the expansion of ax square plus 1 by bx whole power 11 is equal to x power minus 10 in the expansion of ax minus 1 by bx square whole power 11, then we have to find the relation between a and b, where a and b are the real numbers. So we already know that the general term in the expansion of x plus y whole power n is given by tr plus 1 is equal to ncr x power n minus r y power r. So by comparing the given binomial term with x plus y whole power n, we get the values for n as 11, x as ax square and y as 1 by bx. So by substituting, we get 11cr into ax square into 11 minus r into 1 by bx whole power r. So we can write this as 11cr into a power 11 minus r into, by multiplying x square with 11 minus r, we get x power 22 minus 2r into 1 by b power r into x power r. So this would come as 11cr into a power 11 minus r into x power 22 minus 2r, and we can write 1 by x power r as x power minus r into 1 by b power r. So we know that when bases are equal, powers should be added. So by adding the powers of x, we get here 11cr into a power 11 minus r into x power 22 minus 2r minus r would come as x power 22 minus 3r divided by b power r. And now let us consider this as the equation 1. So first let us find the coefficient of x power 10. So let us equate the power of x, which is 22 minus 3r is equal to 10. Now let us transfer minus 3r to the right hand side and 10 to the left hand side. We get here 3r is equal to 22 minus 10. That implies here we get r is equal to 22 minus 10 is 12 divided by 3. So on simplifying, we get here 3 one time is 3 and 3 4 times is 12. So we get here r value as 4. Now let us substitute the value of r in the equation 1. So on substituting, we get t4 plus 1 is equal to 11c4 into a power 11 minus 4 into x power 22 minus 3 into 4 divided by b power 4. So this would come as 11c4 into a power 11 minus 4 is a power 7 into 1 by b power 4, and by simplifying the x power 22 minus 3 into 4, we get x power 10. Now let us consider this as equation 2. And now let us find the coefficient of x power minus 10 in the expansion of ax minus 1 by bx square whole power 11. So we know that the general term in the expansion of x minus y whole power n is given by tr plus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole power r ncr into x power n minus r into y power r. So by comparing the given binomial coefficient with x minus y whole power n, we get the values for n as 11 and x would come as ax and y would be 1 by bx square. So on substituting the values of n, x and y in the formula, we get minus 1 whole power r into 11cr into ax whole power 11 minus r into 1 by bx square whole power r. And here by splitting the powers 11 minus r to a and x, we get here minus 1 whole power r into 11cr into a power 11 minus r into x power 11 minus r, and here 1 by bx square whole power r can be written as 1 by b power r into x power 2r. So this we can write as minus 1 whole power r into 11cr into a power 11 minus r into x power 11 minus r, and here 1 by x power 2r can be written as x power minus 2r into 1 by b power r. So this would come as minus 1 whole power r into 11cr into a power 11 minus r. We know that when bases are equal, powers should be added. So by adding the powers of x, we get here x power 11 minus r minus 2r, which would come as 11 minus 3r into 1 by b power r. Now let us consider this as equation 3. So in order to find the coefficient of x power minus 10, let us equate the power of x, which is 11 minus 3r, to minus 10. So by transferring minus 10 to the left hand side and minus 3r to the right hand side, we get 11 plus 10 is equal to 3r. That implies here we get r is equal to 10 plus 11 is 21, and by transferring 3 to the other side, we get 21 divided by 3. Now on simplifying, we get 3 one time is 3 and 3 7 times is 21. So we get here r value as 7. Now let us substitute r value as 7 in the equation 3. So on substituting we get minus 1 whole power 7 into 11c7 into a power 11 minus 7 into x power 11 minus 3 into 7 divided by b power 7. So here we observe that the exponent of minus 1 is an odd number, which is 7. So we get the value of minus 1 whole power 7 as minus 1 into 11c7 into a power 11 minus 7 is a power 4 divided by b power 7, and here by simplifying the power of x we get 11 minus 3 into 7, which would be 11 minus 21. So by subtracting we get the power of x as minus 10. Now let us consider this as equation 4. So given that the quotient of x power 10 in the expansion of ax square plus 1 by bx whole power 11, which is nothing but the equation 2, is equal to the quotient of x power minus 10 in the expansion of ax minus 1 by bx square whole power 11, which is nothing but the equation 4. So according to the hypothesis, let us equate equation 2 and equation 4. So on equating the quotients, we get 11c4 into a power 7 divided by b power 4 is equal to minus 11c7 into a power 4 divided by b power 7. Now let us recall the formula NCR is equal to NC n minus r. So we have the binomial coefficients as 11c4. So writing this in the form of NC n minus r, we get 11c 11 minus 4, which is nothing but 11c7. So let us replace 11c4 with 11c7. We get here 11c7 into a power 7 divided by b power 4 is equal to minus 11c7 into a power 4 divided by b power 7. So on the both sides 11c7 get cancelled. And now let us cancel over a power 4 on the both sides. In the left hand side a cube remains, and similarly by cancelling b power 4 on the both sides, b cube remains on the right hand side. So this would come as a cube is equal to minus 1 divided by b cube. Now let us transfer b cube to the left hand side. So we get here a cube into b cube is equal to minus 1. So we can write this as ab whole cube is equal to minus 1. That implies here by transferring 3 to the other side we get ab is equal to minus 1. So now let us transfer b to the other side. We get a is equal to minus 1 by b. And this is the relationship between a and b. So this was a basic introduction on how to solve an example on quotient of x in the binomial expansion. Hope you understood the concept. Refer to more videos on binomial theorem on our website vteachacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.